Welcome to the Thompson Library's tutorial on using the SpringerLink eBook platform. This is what an ebook will look like on the Springer interface. Right at the top you have the title and the authors. Below that you have the options to download the entire book as a PDF or as an EPUB. EPUB is the format used by most e-reader apps like Google Books. Scroll down and you see the table of contents. You can go directly to a chapter and read it online, or download a PDF of the chapter. You also have the option to search within the book. The results take you to another page displaying context and linking to the chapter where your search terms appear. So I'll click View Chapter. And now we're looking at a chapter online. The title of the book is linked here at the top, followed by page numbers for the chapter, and then the largest size font is the title of the chapter, measurement. To download a chapter, you have to scroll down a little bit, and then here under the abstract and the keywords is a link to download the chapter as a PDF. To download the full book, go into the upper right and you have the options again to download the book as a PDF or as an EPUB. The navigation on the right also allows you to go directly to a particular section in the chapter. As for the text, you're allowed to copy and paste, but there's no note-taking or highlighting function when reading online. To download a citation, go over here on the right to Cite Chapter. If you use a citation manager, you can download the RIS file here. If you use EndNote, please still download the RIS file, not the ENW file. If you have questions, check out our other tutorials on importing references into EndNote. Click How to Cite and it will show you a generated citation at the bottom of the page. Make sure to check this citation against the style required by your instructor. This concludes our tutorial on the SpringerLink eBook platform. If you have any questions, please ask a librarian.